Some other news now. The South African Revenue Service can and will demand explanations from taxpayers if income declared in tax returns doesn't match up with deposits in their bank accounts. Since 2012, SARS has had access to taxpayers' information from third-party data providers. This includes information from banks and other financial institutions. And with their improved systems, they can process the data much more efficiently. ENS Africa Tax Executive Mangaliso Zimande explains that it will bode well to be as honest as possible when it comes to your returns.
The first point to make is that SARS has very wide powers under the Tax Administration Act to collect information in respect of taxpayers in order for them to be able to administer tax acts. So with regards to obtaining financial information like having access to bank accounts, that's specifically under Section 26 of the Tax Administration Act, which basically requires third-party institutions, your financial institutions, banks, insurers, to submit annual third-party data returns. It's important for taxpayers to understand that they actually have a legal obligation to disclose all their income in the tax return in a truthful manner. And so also understand that making false statements in a tax return is actually a criminal offense. So it's important to, even if it's not big amounts, but to make sure that whatever you disclose in your tax return is accurate, because SARS does have access to this information.
And if you might not have been entirely truthful, or if you didn't realize that you had to declare your side hustle, there is a voluntary disclosure process you can follow to avoid being caught by the taxman.